STIHL came out with a new handheld tool. It's the GTA 26. It's battery powered, and they call it a hand pruner. The question is, what do you do with it? Well, we're gonna find out. Safety first. Well, they call it a pruner, so let's start with some pruning. Pruning may have gotten a little bit out of hand. Let's try something else. You know what? Let's leave this to the lawnmower. I think we've gone a little bit beyond pruning. Let's find out. So what do you use STIHL's new hand pruner for? Better question. What don't you use it for?